Automatic Control Quality Tool System. Unit 5. Aqua Toolkit. Automatic Control Quality Tool System is a 2-year Leonardo da Vinci project which aims to design, build and implement operational tools for measuring and control of indicators in the framework of Aquats in collaboration with target groups and stakeholders. It addresses implementation issues of the Aquats framework in the tourism sector by testing the instruments in operational training contests according to collaborative methodologies and job shadowing approach. The key challenges of the tourist sector concerning VED are linked to the need of increasing the quality of tourism sector training in Europe by making it more relevant to the needs of the labor market. The multi-stakeholders approach in this project facilitates the creation of possibilities for sharing and comparing initiatives. This will result in developing and implementing a bench learning tool for European VET stakeholders in the tourism sector, answering of having a common framework to respond to these questions. The Aqua project addresses a priority goal. Design guides concrete guidelines usable by those involved in VETs, in particular by training providers. The system is conceived in order to monitor the compliance of the training activity, also using the Aquats indicators. The Aqua Toolkit uses as basic reference the 10 Aquats indicators and mathematical and quantitative parameters suggested by the Aquats framework and its tools. The Aqua Toolkit works as a tool for data collection, monitoring, quantitative analysis, supporting the qualitative analysis. Its function is to assist in the quality management of the performances of the educational activities. It allows the collection and organization of training performances data. Then, through data processing, it organizes information and develops a quantitative report and a statistical analysis for a qualitative analysis. The Aqua Toolkit has the aim to assist and help training providers and institutions in the monitoring, evaluation and assessment of their performances and quality assurance system, with particular attention to the compatibility and adequacy with provisions of Aquats indicators. Aqua project has developed a toolkit system that is composed of 2 main parts: a guideline that wants to implement indicators within the quality assurance system, and an online software which helps to evaluate the training provider performance. The Aqua Toolkit system offers indications and a conceptual pathway to verify the compatibility and adequacy of the quality assurance systems with Aquats indicators and to better evaluate the performances at a different level according to the field or the area of application of the instrument. The Aqua guideline is composed of short introduction to Aquats, description of particularities and specific issues related to the tourism sector, and the description of toolkit for the evaluation and assessment of the performances with relation to Aquats indicators, including a set of instructions. The approach of the guidelines is based on development of an analytical examination of the systems or the provider's organization, quality assurance and performance in the light of the 10 Aquats indicators. The Aqua Online software interface has been structured as a data entry mask for information and quantitative data in defined fields. The input fields are conceived as requests for data and information relating to the subject of operational criteria. The operational criteria are measurable specifications useful to interpret, refine and contextualize the quantitative context of the operational definition or to give refined quantitative criteria to operational definitions. The operational criteria are also possible operational answers to the guiding questions of Aquats area. The design of the operational criteria is the main scientific task in the development of the Aqua Toolkit system. The information and data through data processing will produce and generate results in form of numerical or quantitative figures and synthetic reports useful for the qualitative analysis in order to refine data and information on educational achievements in order to improve the quality of the training process, to interpret dropout rates, understanding reasons under the given rate of participation, to support an effective and successful completion of training as one of the main objectives for quality in education and training, to support the delivery of appropriate training, including activities for disadvantaged groups. These can be considered as the first set of improvement measures. The Aquats Toolkit uses as basic reference as to conceptual and operational performance the 10 Aquats indicators, the mathematical and quantitative parameters suggested by the Aquats communication tools and others that will be developed to make more refined analysis. The Aqua Online software has been structured in 3 sections: institution data, project management, Aquats indicators. Each user can insert data about training institution as institution type, main accreditation, quality assurance system adopted, and other information about the training activity of the subject or the institution. Each user can create a new project describing the main aspects of the course itself. Select the sector, insert information about reserved quotas, teachers, trainers, partners of each project, collect the information about the careers development of the participants after elapsed time, describe the participants, and so on. After the data inserted in the fields of each project are processed to generate Aquats indicators data. This section about Aquats indicators is organized in 2 parts. The first one, on the left side of the slide, gives a report using data entered in the project management section. In the second part, on the right side, there are operational questions related to the guiding questions of Aquats indicators. The system provides closed answers to these questions and gives evaluation about the answer's adequacy to Aquats quality system. Green if OK, red if not.